Alright, so we're on to part 2. I found my nicer ruler. So, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a fine point marker or fine point Sharpie. Let's see if we can get that to focus a little bit better. Nope, okay. So we're going to grab a fine point Sharpie, which is the ones that look like this. Not these. These are the ultra fine. And we're going to grab that ruler, and we're going to very carefully be using, and I tested my Sharpies out beforehand just to make sure that they were working right. We're going to be using the Sharpie and the ruler to pull towards us. But what we don't want to do is hold our Sharpie too long in one place, because what happens is when I do that, if you notice, it leaves a little bit of a dot, and we don't want that. I'm actually going to change markers from what I just saw. So I'm going to change this one. So I'm going to line up the ruler just slightly off from the line. I'm going to hold it down and then pull towards me. And I'm going to go ahead and outline this box as well. I'm going to turn the box, make it easier for me, always pulling towards me, always holding down my ruler. Because what we don't want to do is cross the ruler or have our fingers in the way. And we also don't want to push away from us. So I've seen people do it before. So what happens is like they get over here, they line up, and then they push away. And you see how no. Always pull towards you when you're doing Sharpie or other markers like this. Okay, so I got that. Now I'm going to go in and do these lines. Line up with the middle. Do that. That. Do all the ones I can before I have to turn my paper. Making my paper work for me by turning it as I go. If you notice, like, I'm even messing up. I'm just gonna take your time, be careful. Okay. So, now that you have that done, put your cap on your marker. Don't leave your marker without its cap. You have a few options. I'm going to choose, and let me test this. I might go through and actually label my boxes with the Sharpie. I might be a little bit more intentional when I'm doing this than just writing it quickly like I did before. So I'm going to try to write in cursive. Line. G. Color. Space. I stopped because I wasn't sure. My brain broke for a moment, and you all know how I spell. Texture. And then value is my last one. Alright, so now that I've done all that, you will go through with your eraser, get rid of all your lines, and then I will show you what to do in the next part.